Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our topic is nature and scope of women's studies. So let's start without any waste times. First of all, we will see meaning. Women's studies is an academic field that draws on feminist and interdisciplinary method in order to place women's lives and experience at the center of study while examining social and cultural construct of gender system of privilege and oppression and the relationship between powers and gender as they intersect with other identities and social locations such as race, sexual orientation, socio-economic class, and disability. Move to next. Nature of women's studies. 1. Women's study is an interdisciplinary academic field. 2. It is a gender-based study. 3. It is related to the feminist thoughts. 4. It is a comparative approach. 5. Women's study is against patriarchy. 6. It is an independent discipline of social science. Moved next. Scope of women's study. 1. Theories and approaches of women's study. 2. Women's movement. 3. Development of women's study. 4. Discussion of women's role in socio-economic and political field. 5. To discuss the measures adopted by national and international levels to solve women's problem. 6. Various international conventions, conferences, etc. are also the subject matter of women's studies. Next, conclusion. The place of women's studies within the academy has, of course, always been highly contested. Within the university, this discipline was said to not be academic enough. At the same time, however, the feminist activists outside of the academy argued that disciplines was being too academic. Thanks for watching. Such a more videos. Subscribe our channel, like and share this video.